Good day, everyone. I am Elami B. Villarmino. So now, I will discuss my assigned topic, learning outcomes. First is global awareness, understand global issues and interconnection. Second is intercultural communication, engage respectfully with diverse cultures. The last one is ethnical action, act responsibly for global sustainability for equity. Global competence education aims to help students understand the world, express their perspective in society. The Program for International Student Assessment, or PISA, introduced a framework for global competence with 4 key dimensions. The first dimension is examining global issues. The second is understanding and appreciating diverse perspectives. The third is engaging in effective communications across cultures. And the fourth is taking action for collective well-being and sustainable development. These dimensions prepare individuals to navigate and contribute meaningfully to an interconnected and diverse world. First dimension is examine issues of local, global, and cultural significance effectively using knowledge and critical reasoning. Competent people can use higher thinking skills to analyze data and propositions, explain phenomena, and develop position concerning local, global, or cultural traditions. This dimension emphasizes critical thinking and reasoning to analyze the interpret complex issues. It involves understanding problems that affect local and global communities, evaluating data, and forming well-reasoned opinions over. Dimension 2, understand and appreciate the perspective, the worldviews of others, demonstrating respect for interest in others' concept of reality and emotions. Competent individuals can engage in open, appropriate, and effective interaction across cultures, understanding cultural norms, interactive styles, and formalities of intercultural context. This focuses on developing empathy and respect for other beliefs, cultures, and emotions. It highlights the ability to interact effectively and appropriately across diverse cultural and social contexts. The third dimension is engage in open, appropriate, and effective interaction across culture. The global competent individuals can engage in open, appropriate, and effective interactions across cultures, understanding cultural norms, styles, and formalities. They can adapt behavior and communication manners, emphasizing their capacity for interact respectful with marginalized groups. This involves communicating and collaborating with individuals from different cultural backgrounds. It stresses the importance of understanding cultural norms, styles, and equity to foster mutual respect and productive relationships. Dimension 4, take action for collective well-being and sustained development, focusing on young people's role as active, responsible members of society. This dimension recognizes the multiple realms of influence ranging from personal and local to digital and global. This emphasizes active citizenship and responsibility. It encourages individuals to participate in addressing global challenges and promoting sustainable practices to the betterment of society. That's all. Thank you.